Hola! Welcome to another Learn Spanish Through Conversation video. Today we're going to be looking at the video about a difficult client, difficult customer at a restaurant. I will leave it in the comments and somewhere around here so you can watch it without any interruptions or comments. But here I'm going to be stopping the video and commenting and breaking down some of the grammar going on in this conversation. So if that's something that is interesting to you, stick around and let's take a look.
Aquí tiene su ensalada.
Alright, aquí tiene su ensalada. Aquí tiene is just the way we say here you are. Here you go. When we give things to someone, we say tiene instead of tienes because it's a service job. So she's using the usted form, the formal you, not tú. Usted. So, tiene instead of tienes. The same way she's saying su ensalada, your salad, instead of tu ensalada. Again, su is the possessive for the formal usted. Don't forget that the formal usted uses the words for he and she. Alright, let's continue.
Por fin, llevo 15 minutos esperando.
Por fin. Por fin is just the way we say finally when you are waiting for something and it takes too long. Por fin, finally. And this is interesting. Llevo 15 minutos esperando. The verb llevar has a lot of meanings: to wear, to carry, but when it's followed by a gerundio, present participle, esperando, it becomes I have been. So, llevo esperando, I have been waiting. And you can move it around. You can say llevo 15 minutos esperando o llevo esperando 15 minutos. Same thing. I have been waiting 15 minutes. Let's keep going.
Hay muchos clientes hoy.
Perdona, la pedí sin anchoa.
Okay, perdona. So the customer is not talking to her with the usted, not the formal you. He's talking to her as a tú. That's why he says perdona instead of perdone, which would be the usted form. Perdone, perdona. It means excuse me. You could also say disculpa o disculpe for usted. And then he says la pedí sin anchoas. I ordered it without anchovy. That it, I order it, la pedí. Why? Because it's a salad. One salad. So we use the direct object pronoun la.
Ay, perdón, la puede apartar.
Same thing. Now she says la puede apartar. You can set it aside. That it is the anchovy, which is also a female singular. So la puede apartar. Keep in mind that now we have two verbs together. The second one is an infinitive. Puede apartar. When this happens, we can move the direct object pronoun and we can put it also together with the infinitive. So we could say puede apartarla. La puede apartar. Same thing.
No, porque la ensalada sabe a anchoa.
Alright, sabe a. Saber a is the verb to taste. Sabe a anchoa. It tastes like anchovy. Saber also means to know, to have knowledge, but followed by the preposition a, it means to taste like.
Vale, ahora le traigo otra.
Ahora le traigo otra. What is this le? This le is the indirect object pronoun for the formal usted, the indirect object pronoun, because what she's bringing is the salad, which is the direct object, and she's bringing the salad to him. Who is the indirect object? Shouldn't it be te traigo? No, because again, using the usted form, we use le.
Allí tiene su ensalada y la carne.
Disculpa, pedí la carne poco hecha y está al punto.
Yeah, poco hecha means rare. Al punto o en su punto means medium rare. If you want it well done, you can say bien hecha o muy hecha.
Bueno, es casi lo mismo.
Es casi lo mismo. It's almost the same. Lo mismo. The same thing. Not el mismo, la mismo. Lo mismo. It's almost the same thing.
No, quiero otra. Poco hecha, por favor.
De acuerdo, ahora mismo.
Ahora mismo. Ahora means now. Mismo in this case just means right now. Ahora mismo. It's like some emphasis about the now. So ahora, now, ahora mismo. Right now. Right away. A ver, this is the verb to see. It's not the auxiliary verb haber with an H and B. No. A ver means let's see.
Está fría.
Está fría. It's cold. Not es fría when something is cold to the touch. Está fría. And not hace frío. Hace frío, it's cold like the weather.
Voy a calentarla otra vez.
Alright. Voy a calentarla. Again with the direct object pronoun. I'm going to warm it up. That it, warm it up, is the meat. Meat is also female, singular, so calentar. La. We have two verbs again. Voy, calentar. So we could say la voy a calentar or voy a calentarla. Same thing. All right.
Tráeme también una Coca-Cola con hielo, por favor.
Yeah. Tráeme. Tráeme is the imperative. It's an order. Trae, bring. To me. Me, tráeme. When we do object pronouns with the imperative, it goes at the end of the verb and it's together. It's one word. So trae, bring, to me, me, tráeme. One word.
Enseguida. Aquí está.
Enseguida is another way to say right away, right now.
¿Y el hielo?
Ah, sí, lo siento. Ahora lo traigo.
Ahora lo traigo. I'll bring it now. This time, the direct object, it, is the ice, hielo, male, singular, so lo, not la.
¿Puedes bajar el aire acondicionado, por favor?
Puedes bajar, can you lower? Bajar means to lower. In this case, it means like the power, not the temperature, because if you lower the temperature, it's even cooler. But it means the power.
Hace frío.
Hace frío, it's cold, as the weather. Yeah? Before we say está fría, it's cold to the touch. Hace frío, it's cold, the weather, the environment.
Entonces, ¿para qué quiere el hielo?
La cuenta, por favor.
La cuenta is just the bill, the check.
Aquí tiene la cuenta.
Perdona, la cuenta está mal.
Está mal, it's wrong. Non malo. Malo means bad. Mal, wrong.
Quiero hablar con el encargado.
Yo soy la encargada.
Madre mía, ya no vengo más.
Madre mía, it means oh my mom. Yeah, it's oh my mother. Oh my gosh, oh my. Yeah.
Eso espero.
And eso espero. Eso espero means I hope that. Eso, that, espero, hope. So it's like I hope so. That's how we say I hope so. Eso espero. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any more questions or any more comments, let me know. I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to comment on the conversation videos with your questions so I can make one of these and answer them. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.